This VEVOR Underhoist Support Stand is built from heavy tubular steel and is rated for roughly 3/4 of a ton, giving it plenty of strength for supporting typical passenger vehicles during service work. Its wide circular base and U-shaped saddle with rubber padding keep components steady and help prevent slipping or marring contact surfaces while you are underneath the vehicle. The bearing-assisted spin handle makes height adjustments smooth and controlled, even when the stand is taking significant weight from a drivetrain or suspension component. A long threaded screw column with a self-locking design holds the set height securely, so the stand does not creep down while you are focused on the repair. The generous height range from a little over 52 inches up to about 76 inches works well with full height lifts and lets you fine-tune support exactly where it is needed. In practice, this stand is especially handy for tasks like holding transmissions, exhaust sections, and drive shafts in place, turning awkward one-person jobs into safer and more manageable procedures.